New face selection improvement. In ZW3D 2026, the new workflow of surface selection processing has greatly improved the programming efficiency. New operations are added, including region mill, Z constant, chamfer deburr, chamfer plunge, corner plunge. Take this real case of mold processing as an example. You can select the part, then select the face to milling. Select the cutting tool, and the tool path can be generated, and the quality improves a lot. The cutting method can be selected as all regions, or shallow and steep regions. Similar to angle limiting. Beyond angle limiting, the new feature now includes tool path extension capability. This allows extending tool paths during machining, with the extension distance limited to 25% of the tool diameter. At the same time, the operation provides tool avoidance capability. Two side faces can be set as avoidance features, with a specified clearance thickness to prevent tool interference. Similarly, the Z constant operation follows the new workflow. You can select the frame, the part, and the face as the cut region, and then select the tool to generate the tool path. A gap causing discontinuous tool paths is observed. Measurement reveals a 2.24 mm gap. To ensure continuity, you can set the merging distance to 3 mm. New cut layers functionality. You can see the step over in shallow regions is relatively large. To improve surface finish, create a new layer and reduce the step over value for these areas. The new deburring operation, it is almost a one-click work. To use this function, select the target surface, specify the chamfer depth and size, then execute the deburring operation with one-click efficiency. ZW3D 2026 introduces a chamfer deburring feature, significantly optimizing processing speed compared to the 2025 version. Small holes can be automatically ignored by configuring filtering parameters. ZW3D 2026 introduces plunge milling functionality, including a dedicated corner plunge operation. This capability enables vertical tool plunging on the corner of components such as mold bases, significantly enhancing machining efficiency through direct tool engagement.